Hello dear, it is desert donkey from deserted area of Tharparkar. Right now you can see that these are the special donkeys. These donkeys are enjoying here at desert. These type of donkeys you have never seen in the desert. These are the pure and calm, colorful donkeys. These are enjoying at the time of morning. It is 12 o'clock here at Tharparkar right now, deserted area, and the donkeys are enjoying. These donkeys mostly shown in the area of deserted. These are very charming and colorful donkeys. These are mostly used for taking geri pachikar. Geri ha. Video camera. These are special charming donkeys, mostly shown in the area of Tharparkar. These colorful donkeys are over cover. Question? की खाना है घी सामान माल ले जाएंगे होगी सही सही